Hello everybody, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are going to try to marcot this liang. So although we all here got fruit already, but we are trying to just marcot like this fella. There is no fruits, so this stems lah. So this stem looks more mature, that's why maybe the fruits come out already over here, do you see? But then we don't know whether the fruit will grow or not lah. Yeah, sometimes the flower is there, but then like this is the flower. Okay, but then don't know whether it's pollinated well or not. So I also don't know because I never grow before. So I'm just trying to marcot this thing. So as usual, you will need a pen knife. Okay, just gently scrape the skin away until you see the xylem over here. Okay, then this is where the root will come out. Okay, then the ingredient is just mud or any soil you like lah. Then mix with water so that it will stay together. Then add on with this some dry leaf, to act as a nitrogen as they decompose lah. Okay, then also as something to hold them together. Right, so now we are just trying to mix the fella well, like those normal cement. Okay, so we're just trying to pack the thing over here and hopefully it stays. So once it stays means you are okay. Just squeeze the water, let them rest somewhere. Okay, it seems working. Okay, normally we will just put over here lah, so it's easier to rest lah. But today we'll put over here, and once you are done, just add a bit more if you want to. So we are so-called attempting to root them, while they are still growing lah. So once about maybe 2-3 months, once you see the root coming out already, right, means you can chop the whole thing, remove this fella, and then plant to the ground, and that will have a new so-called tree. Plus the age of this will be the X number of the mother tree plus this fella. So meaning to say, when they root, right, okay, they won't be like start from zero, then day 1, day 2, no. Maybe this one is like 2 years already or 1 year plus. Then when they continue from here after the root, right, okay, it will be the X number of year plus the additional year. So it will so-called fruit faster. So after that you will need to wrap it tight with plastic so that the moisture will contain inside, and then it will root lah. Okay, so wait for a while. I go and do it and I show it to you. So you need a string also. And where is my plastic? Okay, it's over here. Alright, so this is how it's been done. You take a plastic and wrap bottom tight, middle body tight, and on top just nice tight will do because of aeration. Okay, and some of them they recommend you want to poke a few holes for aeration, but to me I feel it's quite okay. Then on top over here we don't want to tie until so tight, so that our rain they can just drop inside, then feed the water to grow their roots. Okay, so understand So the first thing is find a spot. Okay, preferably it will be like this one so it's easier to cover up. Then take some soil, wet them until it becomes like muddy. Then you can add in some base fertilizer maybe something like how to say okay, maybe banana. They are good in potassium and phosphorus, which what we want for root growth. right? So after the root, they rooted already, then they are able to eat, so-called eat, okay, or absorb the nutrients from the banana skin itself. Yeah, you get it, okay. Then after which you will just cut the whole thing. Preferably, if you can, put some straw inside or dry grass inside, so as to bind them together. Yeah, so later on it will be easier for you all to just pick over here lah. Okay, so once you pick in already, it stays there, means your water is just nice, your amount is just nice. Make sure you cover the whole thing. So some people, they just cut a bit only. That is also possible, but then the root system itself might not be that great, because as you transplant to the ground, yeah, only one side of the root is going for nutrient instead of the whole group of the roots, yeah, finding the nutrient underground or in the pot. Okay, so something like this. So we will come back, okay, for part 2, maybe 1 month after. Cross finger. Okay, so meanwhile, hopefully that our fruit over here, yeah, they can stay. If the thing drop, means our nutrient is not that good anymore. Okay, as in the flower or the fruit halfway they drop, means our nutrient is not as good. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe. Okay, bye bye.